Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Teams for UX reviews, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Teams. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Teams login page. You will see the option to sign in with your Microsoft account. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click the Next button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you want to stay signed in, check the box next to Keep Me Signed In. Click the Sign In button. Once signed in, you will be directed to your Teams dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Teams icon and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of the teams you are a member of. Select the team relevant to your UX reviews. To find specific channels related to UX, navigate to the channels under your selected team. If your organization has set up any additional security measures, you may be prompted for verification. Complete any additional verification steps if necessary. Once you're in the appropriate channel, look for the meeting or thread related to your UX review. Click on the meeting link to join the review session. You are now ready to participate in your UX reviews within Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.